everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Dawn. Thank you for visiting with me today. Today's video is about Amazon Prime Pantry. It's a service Amazon offers to Prime customers who where you can buy pantry grocery items, toilet paper, paper towels, pantry food like cereal, things like that. So I got a couple items, and we're going to compare. We're going to do a couple different things. We're going to talk about the service, which I just did. We're going to compare the Amazon price to a store that I would shop at. So I'm actually using the Walmart price for these because that's normally where I would buy items such as this. And I'm going to kind of try and cover the pros and cons or the benefits and how it's not very good or how it is really good. Overall, I think it's a pretty good idea, especially for those who may be homebound or getting out isn't that easy for them, whether for mobility reasons, health reasons, or lack of a car. Price-wise, I think it compares nicely with Walmart on a lot of items. A couple of these items cost more, a couple of them cost the same, and a couple of them cost less. So we're going to go over that, and that's going to be what I do right now. First, I'm going to show you what I got. So we got the Smucker's Squeeze Grape Jelly, and this was $2.10 through Amazon, and the Walmart price was $2.18. So it's an 8-cent savings. And and I want to say, if you spend more than $35, shipping is free. That's different than what it used to be. What it used to be is it would be $5.99 per box, and you would fill your box up. It would be percentages, and once you reach 100%, your box is full. No matter how much you fit in there, that's $5.99 to ship, which I still think is a pretty good deal considering you don't have to leave your house. But now, if you spend $35 or more, shipping is just free. So I spent more than $35, so shipping was free for me. So anyway, this was $2.10. It's priced at $2.18 in my Walmart. It may be different in different regions, but I'm just going by, where I shop, because that's really all I can compare it to. And I'm going to tell you, the other grocery store I shop at, it's probably about $2.48 for it. And another thing I got was a value pack of 18 granola bars, chewy granola bars. And it's a variety pack. There's 6 dark chocolate, 6 peanut butter chocolate chip, and 6 s'mores. And this was $3.98 through Amazon Prime. At Walmart, it would be $3.74, and at the other grocery store would be about $3.98 also. Okay, so oh, it's so far down here. So then I think I'm going to be giving some of this stuff away because we're never going to eat all this, but we also got Pop-Tarts right here. This is a package of 32 Pop-Tarts. Through Amazon, it was $6.11. At Walmart, it was $6.99. The other grocery store did not have this size for me to price compare. Okay. And next, I got a canister of Twizzlers. And this was $5.99 on Amazon and $5.99 at Walmart. So that price is the same. Then I got this, the white cheddar Smart Food popcorn, which was $3.79 through Amazon. And it's $2.98 at Walmart. I don't think that that's completely true because I don't know. I just seem to remember paying more than $2.98 for this at Walmart. But since that's the list price they had, that's what we're going to go with. So $2.98 at Walmart, $3.79 through Amazon. Then we've got a family size of Ritz crackers. And this was $3.53 through Amazon. $2 98 through Walmart. And again, they didn't have this size at the third grocery store, or the other grocery store for me to check at. And then we have the Kraft macaroni and cheese 5-pack. This was $4.50 through Amazon and also $4.50 at Walmart. And then this, 2 jars of peanut butter, a total of 80 ounces. This was $6.23 through Amazon and $9.99 at Walmart for the twin pack. And then we've got the tuna, the Star-Kissed tuna. This was $7.88 for 8 of them through Amazon and also $7.88 through Walmart for the 8-pack of tuna. Now, for Amazon, it was a total of $44.11 for all of this. We didn't pay for shipping. For Walmart, it was a total of $47.23, which means it was $3.12 to get these items through, $3.12 less to get these items through Amazon. So, would I recommend it? Yeah, if you're in a situation where you need some pantry items and you can't leave the house, I think it's pretty good and comparable. I mean, who's gonna buy less than $35 worth of pantry items anyway for something like this? I don't know, I guess somebody would. And, but that's it. I think it's good for people who are homebound, who can't get out much, who, you know, can't get to the store for these items. But then again, a con is you can't get any refrigerated items or meats or things like that. And so it's like you can't get all your groceries through it, but you can get your pantry staples. So a lot of your pantry staples, they don't have anywhere near all the pantry items that I think a regular household would use, but they do have a lot of them. They have lots of cereals, they have baby products, bathroom products, shampoo, all that. So you can get a lot on there, but definitely not everything one might need. Definitely a good place to go if you want to build up your prep shed or whatever. So, but that's it. I just wanted to share that with you. Would I use it again? Probably. I probably would, because the less time I have to spend inside a store, the happier I am. But I definitely don't think it's for everybody, but I do think that it's overall a pretty good service. But thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to all of you later. If you have any questions about Amazon Prime Pantry, just ask. I may not know the answer, but I will find it out for you. Thanks so much. Bye.